So today, guys, we're going to show you how to connect to your Wi-Fi at home or in the shop. So what you're going to first do is you're going to come down to your Wi-Fi settings in the bottom right. 22 IDEX will pop up. Go ahead and connect. And then it'll ask you for a password. The password is going to go ahead and be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Go ahead and hit yes. What we're going to go ahead and do next is we're going to go to your favorite browser and start typing in 192.168.0.1. As you can see, hit enter. What's going to pop up here is your Duet software to control your machine. As you can see, we're in the dashboard. So on the right side, you're going to see macros. Go ahead and hit System, Settings, Wi-Fi, and connect to my Wi-Fi. Right here, it's going to ask for the name of your Wi-Fi. So just understand that this is case sensitive. So put it as exactly as it appears if you were trying to connect to it. So for us, that's going to be Vision Minor. Go ahead and put your Wi-Fi password in right here. So right here, you're going to see, do you want to test your network connection? Go ahead and hit OK. And from here, it's going to disconnect from the dashboard right here. That's exactly what's supposed to happen. Just go ahead and wait. Perfect. After that, go back into your Wi-Fi settings. From here, you're just going to go ahead and wait until you see 22 IDEX pop up again on your Wi-Fi settings, and then we'll reconnect. Just note that this may take about a minute or so just be patient with it. It will pop up. As you can see, 22 IDEX pops up. Go ahead and hit connect. From there, on the back of the screen right now, you're going to go ahead and see a pop-up. And if you were successful, it's going to go ahead and show you what your IP address is right here. Make sure you go ahead and write that down in full. This is going to be something you use constantly. So for me, I'll go ahead and copy that, hit OK. But what's important here is you're going to need to make sure that you go back to your Wi-Fi settings and connect to the Wi-Fi that you went ahead and put all the information in for. And so now you'll go ahead and put that IP address in the browser, hit enter, and the machine will connect to Wi-Fi mode. Just know it will take a few moments once you do turn your machine on again for it to get going and back and connected to the Wi-Fi, but you will be able to connect straight to it. Perfect. So as you can see, it pops up with your IP address that we got on the top, and now you're ready to access your machine. So this is going to be where you go to control any part of the machine. So that's how you set up your Wi-Fi.